Alright, babe. Alright, babe. What's up, chat? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? We're in a fucking mall, bro. We are in a fucking mall, bro. We are in a fucking mall, bro. Chat. What's up? Okay. Where should we go now? Should we go in the box office or where should we go? I mean, we need to figure out that shit. Chat. Where should we go? Yes, I think we should try this US Polo Assassins, or we should try the United Colors of Benetton, or should we take tickets from the box office? Let's see the movies. Let's see the movies first, bro. Yes, sir. This 21, Avatar, and this Tu Meri Main Tera. 3 movies are there, bro. What about this shit? Dhurandhar also. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You want to watch a movie? Yes? You want to watch a movie? Let's see this shit. Yes, sir. What do you want to do? You've seen all the movies? Is it like that? I want to see some different movie. Or you want to go to McDonald's? What do you want to do? You want to go to McDonald's? Or you want to see some movie? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You want to try McDonald's? You want to try McDonald's? You want to try McDonald's? But bro, in McDonald's, this thing will already be there. I mean, there will be burgers, fries, and Coke, all the sugar items and shit. So what do you want to do? Okay, let's go there, bro. Let's go there. Let's go to Spencer's, bro. Let's go to Spencer's, bro. Let's try this Spencer's shit. Let's go to Spencer's. Let's see what is happening here, bro. For real. Let's see the shit, bro. Their bags, you want to buy some trolleys and shit? I don't know, bro. You want to buy some trolley and shit? I don't know, bro. Oh, we have to submit the bags, bro. Laptop. I have a laptop here. Okay. Lock. Are you gonna put a lock, or you wanna put some ribbon? Okay, my bag is getting locked, bro. Hell no.
आप यहाँ से निकलेंगे खुल जाएगा, उधर से निकलेंगे खुल जाएगा.
I don't know Hindi. Can you tell me English? English.
ये लीजिए.
I can take this? Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so we have some clothes. What do you want to buy? I don't understand. What do you want to buy? It's fucking winters. I don't know, bro. You can buy some jackets and shit. This shit. Something like this. What do you say? Or some sweatshirts. Bro, I like the collection here, but I don't know. I want to buy some shit. Hold on. The camera is... Hold on. Yes, sir. Can you see me now? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What do you want to buy? There's some hoodies, jackets, sweaters. What do you want to buy? Okay, let's explore more. Let's go straight. I think so. But let's go. So, do you need apple cider vinegar by any chance? Chat, do you need apple cider vinegar by any chance? Or something else? Chat, what do you say? You wanna have this shit? Serum mask? No? Okay, what should we buy here? Perfume? You wanna have some perfume, chat? Okay, there's Kit Kat and there's a lot of other things. Munch, Kit Kat, Munch, Perk. There's miniatures. There's this Alpenliebe, this cake, this rusk. There's a lot of other things here. So, I don't know. You want to buy something? Should we keep the camera like this? Yeah, I'll keep the camera like this, bro. So that this comes on stream. That's what I want, bro. This comes on stream. I want this to go on stream, bro. For real. I think this looks good. So, yes, sir. Mops. You wanna clean your dirty work with mops? I don't understand. But yeah, you wanna clean the peri peri makhana. There's organic sugar, organic chana dal, organic suji, everything organic, because that's what that is the country we live in. We have to just consume organic because everyone is so polluted right now. So Chad, I don't understand, like everything should be organic to eat. You have organic groundnut oil. I don't know how. Organic mustard oil. This. How can an oil be organic? I mean, for real. How can an oil be organic? I don't understand. How can an oil be organic, bro? This is hing also, bro. Is a organic hing. This hing. I like hing. Just everything organic. But is it really organic? Because there's too much organic right now, I can see. Everything is organic. So I don't understand if it's really organic. But yeah. This thing, tur dal, rajma, I think so. This what is this? This is elaichi. Okay. This Maggi and all. You wanna buy Maggi and all? Chat, you wanna buy Maggi and all? Jeera, cumin, and this cardamom, and this thing. This fresh palak. You wanna try fresh palak by any chance? And sabji masala. If you wanna cook some sabji, this sabji masala. And this Kashmiri mirch here. So there's a lot of things that you can use right now, but do you really want to use them or not? So we're gonna have fun. Olive oil, bro. Who the hell? I don't understand. Who the hell uses this much olive oil? Like, for what purposes are you taking this much olive oil? Like, this much olive oil, where are you putting? That's the thing. Who purchases, like, bro? This is $5,000. Like, hell, nah. This is $5,000, bro. What is this jaggery powder? I like jaggery, bro. I like jaggery. And this organic again. What is this organic shit everywhere? I see organic. Is it really organic? Okay, tell me, what is that thing that makes a particular thing organic? Do you have an answer? What is that thing that makes a particular thing organic? I don't have an answer. Do you have an answer for this, bro? Organic human. Like what? Organic brown chana. Organic moong dal. Okay, answer this thing. Which is that one thing that is not organic? That cannot be actually advertised as organic. What is that one thing? There's a thing. Okay. We have dhoop, wet dhoop. Oh. Bro, is it kind of like a sensual thing? Like wet, dhoop, wet. I mean, why wet? Why the dhoop is wet? Why the dhoop is wet? Is it because it has ex dhoop somewhere around her? That's why it's wet. But that was bad. But yeah, of course. Why the hell the dhoop is wet? Again. Anyhow, moving on. What else? Let's move to the next section. Again, organic? No. But at least I found one thing that is not organic. Okay, here nothing is organic, I guess. And that's the green flag, I think. Bro, red flag is organic, I think so. Here nothing is organic. कुछ भी organic नहीं है इधर. So that's good. No, मेरे लिए. Is there something for me here? I want something for myself, bro. For real. I want something for myself, bro. Popcorn? Should we take popcorn, chat? Or should we take 2yum? 2yum, popcorn. 2yum or kurkure? Choose one. Come on, choose one. Okay, we're gonna go out now. We're gonna go out now. Albe. we're gonna go out now. I think we are done with this place. So we're gonna go out, chat. Let's go. Okay, I have to get my bag fixed because it was attached. And can you open the bag? Sir, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. ज़्यादा टाइट हो गया? Thank you, भैया.
Welcome.
So, Spencer's is done. Yes, sir. Spencer's is fucking done. Now, what should we do? Spencer's is done. Should we... Bro, we need to make some... Spencer's is fucking done. Now, where should we go? This Levi's, this Blackberry, Tommy Hilfiger. There are a lot of other shops here. You're gonna see. 1, 2, 3. So, but I already wear Calvin Klein, bro, because I'm a rich guy. That's what. I'm a rich guy. So I don't know. Or should we go on the top? I don't know. Where are you gonna go? Okay, I'll go on the top. Because people are staring at me. I don't like this shit. People seem to staring at me, so I don't like this shit. That's the thing. So I'm gonna go on top. I always like being on top. That's the thing. I don't want to be on below. So yeah. Bro, this insane kind of smell. Like hell, man. There's an insane kind of smell here, bro. There's an insane kind of smell here, bro. But let's go. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Should we purchase something? Because I feel like purchasing something. But I don't want to. Because it's a trap. Purchasing something is a trap, bro. For real. I don't want to purchase something, bro. Anything. It's a fucking trap. So what should we do? In a mall. In a fucking mall. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Lifestyle. Bro, I only see... Why the hell there are so many shoes? Flat 50% off. Lifestyle. Bro, why do people come in mall? I don't understand. This is... You're just... Because when you go to a mall, you will end up burning your pocket. That's the only reason you come to mall. Because... Like mall, you get AC. In winters, you get heater. But then there's no point of coming in the mall. Yes, sir. There's Adidas 50% off going on. Just saying. Just saying, bro. Why the fuck do you come to a mall? I don't understand. Puma. Puma means... You know what is Puma? Puma is basically a dog. Yes, sir. Puma is basically a dog. Pepe jeans, but it doesn't look like Pepe jeans. It's like Pepe jeans, bro. I mean, for real, bro. I don't understand this shit. Spiker jeans. What do you do in this? Bro, Spiker brand, Levi's brand. I don't understand. Yes, sir. Bro, people, bro, if you put on the... Bro, I'm on a fucking video call. Why do you want to do this shit? I'm on a fucking video call. I'm a fucking... Assume I am in a fucking video call, bro. Assume I am in a fucking video call. I mean... I'm on a fucking video call. Why do you care so much, people? Why you want to stare at me? Just because I'm speaking English? That's the reason? Shoppers Stop. Let's go to Shoppers Stop. Let's go to Shoppers Stop. Okay, there are a lot of items here. Okay, it's all ladies, I guess. Is it? Okay, there are many watches. I like the collection of watches, bro. But I don't know. I think it's women, I guess. It's not men. It's women, I guess. Right? These are all women watches or men also? Both. Which one is the men section? Oh, that one. Cool. Okay, I'll come back. Right? Why do women need a watch? That's an interesting question. You need to ask yourself, bro. Why do women need a watch? For real. Bro, this is a killer watch. This is a killer watch. This is a good watch. It's a good watch. Bro, it's Armani, bro. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah, bro. Hey, bro. This is insane, bro. This is fucking insane, bro. Yeah, I was saying, why do women need a watch? Why do women... Should I buy a bag for my mom? Yeah? Should I buy a bag for my mom? Yes, sir. Bro, these are good bags. These are good bags. These are good bags. Yes, sir. Should I buy a bag? Kind of cheap only, but yeah. But let's... yeah, I was saying, why do women need a watch? Where are the women getting late to? Kitchen? Bro, that was a good one, bro. Kitchen? Bro, these are good shades. I like the shades. But again, some of them are women. Why do women need shades? Yeah? Why do women need shades? So that okay, there has to come a good joke for this. There has to come a good joke for this. Samba's copy. There has to come a good joke out of this, bro. There has to come a good joke out of this, bro. Why do women need shades? So that they can look like duplicates, but I mean, they look like duplicates. The shoes. They look like duplicates. I don't know why. Okay, that is a good samba, bro. This is a good samba, bro. This is a good samba, bro. Is it like for real? The real sambas? Yes, sir. I think so. Yeah, I was saying, why do women need shades? So that they don't see the light inside them. I think so. But they look like duplicates, but they're good. Is all of them original? Are you working here? Is all of them original or duplicates?
Original.
What is the price of that samba?
13,000 around.
Oh, which one? The black one or upper one?
Same rate.
Same rate, both?
जी.
Okay. This is original samba. For real. Hell no. But I think they can improve on the display, I think so. Because ऐसे पड़ा हुआ है. It's like that. So, yeah, I don't know. But yeah. Okay, I also saw a pen shop. Yes, sir. I did. Well, women, these are just jokes. Okay, so don't mind me. Women, these are just jokes. Okay, these are some pen. These are good pen. These are some pen. So that women learn to write and get a job. I don't know how many of you would understand this joke. It's a sarcasm. That's it. Not a joke. But let's go up to the men's section, bro. Let's go to men's section, bro. You guys saw this? I mean, in the women's section, there were some men things, right? So, women's section में भी men items थे. So it's like this. Okay. We are back. Okay, I might find some good stuff in the men's section, bro. Bro, that is a good shit. Good jacket, bro. It's a good jacket. This is a good shirt. Bro, if I find something cool, I'll buy it, bro. If I find something cool, I'll buy it, bro. Bro, I like these kind of shirts. The checked one. I like these kinds of shirts, bro. Let's see. Hi, what's up? Just looking out for some shirts. Yes, sir. No, it's... Nah.
Like this, sir?
These are more not like me. I mean, these are more old, for old people, I guess. These are more like me, like this. But it's too thin, this one.
It's not thin. Size is big, no? That's
The size is big.
yes.
The cloth is also thin, a bit. See? You have flannels? You have flannels?
No, I'm big, sharp.
No, flannel shirts. It's a type of shirt, flannel.
Let me check.
Yeah, it's not a flannel, it's cotton.
It's cotton.
Yeah, flannel is more like cotton and wool combined. So it's like that. Anyhow, I'll explore, okay? Thanks. I bet. Bro. Alright, this is also cool. I like this shirt. Bro, people are sweet in Lucknow. I mean, they're literally sweet in Lucknow. People are really sweet in Lucknow, bro. Bro, don't people get bored going to a mall? Like, what is there? They're just... I mean, there's a clothes everywhere. What do people actually... I mean, I don't understand. What do people actually like about buying clothes? I mean, I'm fine with my one shirt and one jacket. I mean, two pairs. Because if it gets dirty, someone has to wash it, right? And then I have to wear something else. So it's like that. So I don't know. I think it's a it's a huge ego boost buying clothes, I guess. That's why women buy a lot of clothes. I don't want to say anything else. Bro, I'm not a woman hater. I'm just getting a lot of jokes out of women. My mother is also a woman, just to let you know. Yes, I also have a woman mother. So yeah, that's that. There's that. Lee. Bro, Lee is a cool brand name. But their clothes don't justify that. Lee is a cool brand name, bro. But this is so cool, bro. This is cool. Lee is a cool brand name. Have you ever worn clothes of Lee? Like this one? This is good, right? Yeah. Lee.in. Let's go. Are these flannels? Bro, do you work here? You work here? Are these flannels? This? Flannels? Sorry? That's cotton? Oh, okay. Flannel hai kya? So they don't have flannel here, bro. Only cottons. So, what I'll do with so much cotton? There's a flannel. This is a flannel, bro. This is a flannel. Let's go. This is a flannel. 4,000. Bro, flannels are costly, but I like it. I like when I wear it, you know. Gives me a good feeling. So yeah. Albe, let's go out. Let's go out, bro. Where next? Shopper stop is over. What else is here, bro? Should we buy some? Let's buy a suit for my mom. What do you say? Just wear this. She has to wear a sweater also, right? You have a collection for winters also?
वो दिखाया था मैंने white.
This sir.
Which one? This? This for winters?
क्या? Winter.
No, no.
ये वाला भी winter ही था.
Okay.
ये
But
but इसको भी दोनों में पहन सकते हैं. कहीं light तो वैसे भी पहन सकते हैं और
it
normal
looks
daily
very Kashmiri type, no?
velvet है ना इसलिए.
Yeah. Like the cloth is very Kashmiri. But anyhow. Oh, wow. Bro, this is so good, bro. Bro, I would love to have my mom wear this. This looks so good, bro. Looks so good. This is double XL? Okay, just keep it. I'll take a roll and come. Okay? Thank you. They have some good collections, but I'll check out more places. I'll check out more places and then I'll come back like this. So, Indian terrain. Buy two, get two free. Buy two, get two. Buy two, get two. What is this buy two, get two? What is the issue with buy two, get two? I don't want to buy two. Can you give me buy one and then get two? No, it doesn't make any sense. I'm just yapping right now. But anyhow, sale. Sale. Everywhere is sale. Bro, who the hell are you looking at? I don't like you. I don't like you, bro. Hell nah. Bro is dressed in a fucking suit and thinks he's a fucking stallion. Hell no. You're not a fucking stallion, bro. Hell nah, bro. Yes, sir. Okay, I bet. Bet. Alright, bet. Okay, what else is there, chat? What else? I like the Max showroom. But I don't know. What else is there? Color Plus. I've been to this store before. I bought something for my father, bro. I do spend money on my pants, bro. Not like I don't. I like the Max t-shirts. We'll go to Max. They have a good collection of t-shirts and shirts. Both of them. I'll just check out. That's it. Okay, I could buy something for the night, I guess. There's some good collections. See, that's what happens. You come in a mall and you just stumble upon some of t-shirts and shirts and you buy it. And then you get a little ego boost that you buy something new. And that's what happens in malls. That's what happens. But make sure when you go to a mall, buy for something else. No, buy for someone else. Yeah, buy for someone else. You'll like it more if you buy for your parents or someone else. No. Okay. Should we buy her? Yes, sir. Should we buy her? Okay. Ignore that, what I did, but yeah. Wow. I would love to give this to my future girlfriend, of course. Yes, sir. If she's not a pain in the ass, I would love to gift. Of course. There's some good collection, but for kids. DD might come here more. No? In this section. This is Diddy's section, not mine. Or Kartik Aryan's. So it's so insane how the things that go on the internet get so viral, bro. In no time they get so viral, bro. I mean, I want to get to a place where I'm doing my thing, the thing I love to do, where I'm doing those things, earning good amount of money out of it, and I don't have to think before buying. It's like this. I want to get to that place, bro. But the first priority is earning through doing the things you love. That's the first priority. So yeah, I love yapping, you know. Bro, it's like I came in a different place right now. This is so white, and look at this. This is so dark. It's like I have entered into a new world. Bro, this is so good. Such a good oversized t-shirt. Okay, there's a good t-shirts also here. Yes, sir. They're good t-shirts. Yes, sir. Wow. Look at this shit. This is also good. This is also good. Is there anything that we can buy here, bro? Is there anything we can buy here, bro? Monte Carlo? It's a good brand. This jacket is from Monte Carlo. I love it. I love it. It's my father's jacket, but I love it, bro. My father has better pair of clothes than mine. That's the thing. My father has better pair of clothes than me, bro. Bro, what is this music, bro? Such a dumb music. Okay. Abe. So, bro, these are decent cargos, bro. Okay, I'm just bored of just seeing clothes everywhere, bro. I'm just bored of seeing clothes and so many kind of clothes. Okay, I'm getting clothes phobia right now. I'm getting clothes phobia because when you come to a place where they are just boring clothes, I mean, I find personally, I don't find anything interesting in a cloth. I don't find anything. And bro, the only point of wearing a cloth is it covers your body. That's it. That's the only point of wearing a cloth. A cloth is designed to cover your body. That's it. That's the only purpose of cloth. A cloth cannot make your personality or make your things look good in life. It cannot. People wear clothes for all the sorts of reasons, for different reasons. But I don't wear. I don't give a shit about clothes, bro. I don't give a shit about these clothes, bro. Because I know, bro, there's this ego inside you that needs to be satisfied by external validation that you are getting from wearing a cloth like Gucci, Prada and Armani and shit. But they do tempt you, man. Well, I have seen some good clothes that I get tempted. And I used to buy a lot of clothes, but now I've stopped. Because I've understood the reason behind that. So, yeah. I don't buy it anymore, bro. This Killer X. Aurelia. Oh, should we check out here, bro? Hi. What's up? I'm looking for something for my mom. So, she's like very old and a bit large. So,
Large size.
I think XXL mostly. So, show me something that she can wear in winters and she can go out. Not a party wear, but like a normal casual wear. Like that. Yes, sir. This is good, man.
Size मिल जाएगा.
XXL है इसमें?
हाँ मिल जाएगा.
Nice. Look at this. It looks kind of Kashmiri, you know? Kashmiri, eh? Oh my god. No, she won't wear Kashmiri.
वैसा कश्मीरी नहीं पैटर्न है वर्क है खाली बाकी पैटर्न्स का अलग है.
Okay, cool. Show me something else also. This is good. This is also available, double XL. But she has to wear something on top, right? Of this? No.
वॉर्म वेयर है ये,
Warm.
विंटर वेयर है ये भी आपका अच्छा है विंटर
But it has a very long neck.
ये
Long neck.
नहीं वो हैंग है ना, वी नेक है ये आपका, ऐसे आएगा
ठंड घुस जाएगी ना?
ना।
नहीं, ठंड घुस जाएगी भाई. I think so. No. I think the white shades are good. This is party. I like this one. If you have something else like this, then show me. This very dark, only light shades.
वेलवेट चलेगा?
Yeah, of course.
चलो वेलवेट दिखाइए, ब्लैक वाला।
No. Yeah. Okay, this one is good. I'll come back, okay? I'll come back. Okay? That was on good, bro. That was a good shit. That was a real good shit, bro. I like that shit, bro. Trends. My mom loves trends, by the way. She loves trends. She's always like, bro, let's buy it from trends. I think because the clothes are pretty cheap, that's why. But yeah. Bro, if I like something, I'll buy it, bro. On God. If I like something, I'll buy it, bro. Okay, where's the... Okay, up is that side. Let's go up. Let's see up. Talking to you makes me hungry also, man. I'm already getting hungry right now. Talking to you, chat makes me hungry, bro. By the way, there's no chat. It's just a video recording going on, and I'm imagining there's a chat, and you guys are saying crazy things. That's what I'm imagining right now. But yeah, I love this shit. I'm a sick guy. My mental health is completely insane. I also don't even understand myself sometimes, so it's like that. But yeah, my mental health has been completely insane, and I like this. I like doing this shady stuff. If you wanna call this, yes sir. But yeah, okay, let's go up. Yes sir. Let's go up. This is gonna be our last floor, and then we'll see what to do. And then we are gonna see what to do. What to do. This is gonna be our last floor. Yes, sir. Okay. I want to buy a Spider-Man, bro. My loved ones, bro, I might have streamed today, but you know, the internet sucks. That's why I don't stream like this. Internet sucks like this, so I have to stream like this, but I would have done a live, but anyhow, whatever that shit is, but yeah. Okay, the lift is coming. This one or that one. Okay, this is the map of the second floor. This is where we went in a more. But there are 5 fucking floors here, huh? Insane shit. Insane. Bro, talking gives me, makes me hungry a lot. When I keep on talking, makes you a bit hungry, Like that. Bro, I mean, I just bought a Bikaner wala Rajma Chawal and this is what I get. You look at the quantity and compare it with Haldiram, bro. Haldiram is shit. Haldiram is shit. Bro, this is what is you should get in a Rajma Chawal. So big, so much. I'm so happy, bhai. This is Rajma Chawal. Plus. Let's go. I was so hungry, bro. I was so hungry, but I need to eat this because nahi to I will get more hungry. Like that. Please. Do you understand, please? This is just insane, bro. Bro, this is the best. This is the best, bro. Wow. Just wow, bro. Just wow. This is why you earn money. This is why you earn money. This is why you earn money. It's mad. I could only earn money for eating Rajma Chawal every day. And bro, if you have a choice, chat. If you have a choice to choose between Bikaner wala Rajma Chawal and Haldiram Rajma Chawal, go for the Bikaner wala, please. 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 So much quantity they have given, bro. Totally worth the money. Totally worth that shit. I'm full right now. I'm gonna take one lemon soda also, bro. From Bikaner wala. Always. I'm gonna come back with 1 lemon soda. भैया उठाना ना इसे, ठीक है? Let's go. भैया, do you have a lemon soda? Salty? Yeah. Let's go. Bro, if you buy in Haldiram's, they give you this much Rajma Chawal. You guys are good. You have given me more.
Not amount, huh?
Yeah, that's very good about you. Chat, if you wanna go eat Rajma Chawal, eat from Bikaner wala. He's a sweet guy, okay? Say hi, say hi. Let's go. Should I wait here?
I call you.
Okay, cool. He'll call me. But men call me right now because I'm a single guy. Men hit on me. But legit, good Rajma Chawal and amount. Haldiram, please learn something. Learn some manners from Bikaner wala. Please. Please learn some manners from Bikaner wala, Haldiram. What are you doing, bro? This much Rajma Chawal you give me for the same amount. Like really? I'm still eating. So much quantity. So much quantity, bro. I love it. Bikaner wala rules. Haldiram sucks. No brand deals from Haldiram. I don't care. But yeah. So I'm gonna just sit here and wait for my lime soda. Salty. And it's gonna be insane, I know. Because it's from Bikaner wala. It's gonna be insane. So we're gonna wait for our lime soda. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Lime soda. Rajma Chawal and lime soda. Best combo ever. Try this, chat. Try this, okay? Rajma Chawal and lime soda. Try this shit. And after this, we're gonna go to Clovia to buy my girlfriend a bra. My girlfriend is fat and she runs like a horse. Not a horse. She runs like a ostrich. Yeah. You shouldn't come in my girlfriend's way. She'll kick you so hard. You're gonna cry, literally. So yeah. She runs like a ostrich, but looks like an ostrich egg. Let's go. Bro, but people are so sweet. If I do this shit in Mumbai, right? Bro, I don't know if I'll get beaten or not. But, I mean, yeah. Who knows? Who knows, right? Like that. There was a point of time in my life when I always wanted to do debates, right? I was really inspired. I wanted to do something in debates. And it was like first year of my college. Oh, lime soda is here. Let's go. It's gonna be fire, bro. It's gonna be fire. Bikaner wala is fire, bro. It's gonna be fire, bro. Bro, thank you so much. Shoot. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We'll do the Bikaner wala taste test of lime soda. Rajma chawal was insane. Let's do the taste test of this lime soda. Wow. Bro, wow. Bikaner wala always. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Free brand promotion. Brands. So, yeah, I was saying, there was a time in my life when I wanted to do debates, first year in college. But my English was shit because I came from a school in Lucknow, right? So, it was just shit. My English was very shit. But I thought it's good. So, I went to this, interview in a debate club in my college, and he gave me a topic and started speaking in shitty English, and he told me, bro, you're so bad and you should see other people debating. How the hell did you even come here? You are not gonna select it. And he just literally, I was very down that day, I mean, you can just tell me, okay, I need to work on my skills more. There's a way, right? Sweet way also, right? But he was really rude, bro. I got so hurt, and that's when I decided, bro, I'm gonna make my English so good that I only converse in English most of the time, and that's what happening. That's what is happening right now. So, tab se it's like I've got this habit of just whenever I can, I'll just speak English. So, thank you, but not thank you also. No, I don't like bullies, bro. See, if you're good at something, and he was really insane in English, but at least you can be a bit polite, right? So, but some people are like that. You cannot demand them to change. They are adults. They've grown like that, and they will be like that for the rest of their life. So, cannot do anything. But yeah, now I'm so proud of my English, bro. What's up? Bro, I've struggled and just struggled, I am still struggling, of course, but I don't know. I've started enjoying my struggle also. It's like that now. See, you can have 1,000 reasons to be sad in life, right? And everyone has 1,000 reasons to be sad. I have 10,000 reasons to be sad, right? But I make sure every moment I'm doing the things that just keep me happy, Anything, I'll pick up my mobile, I'll shoot this, I'll do a stream, I'll dance, I'll hang out with my mom. Yeah. I'll go to a workshop. I do have a lot of reasons to be sad. But I don't allow it to get close to my psyche and just mess me up. I don't. So I keep myself involved in things that make me happy. And this is what makes me happy, bro. This Rajma Chawal. Life is beautiful if you don't make it beautiful. It's a choice that you make. Okay, I think we are done. Yes, sir. So we are going down. Yes, sir. We're gonna go down and we're gonna buy that shit, bro. We're gonna buy that dress. मेरे को पसंद आ गई है for my mom. I'm gonna buy that white color dress. I'm gonna buy that dress, bro. For my mom. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna buy that dress for my mom, bro. अबे चल नहीं रहा. Like what? So walking. We're gonna buy that dress, bro. For real. We're gonna buy the dress, bro. For real. I'm gonna buy this dress for real, bro. Okay, let me buy my mom that dress. Hold on. Aurelia, I think so. Or the star was sweet both the sides, but it's a surprise gift for my mom. But yeah, see, I can't do much for my mom, but whenever I can, I do it. I haven't done much for my mom, but I like that dress, so I'm gonna buy that shit. So let's go. Let's go. W was good, but I like that more. No? Let's go. Excuse me, this one? So finally we are buying this shit. Let's go. Double XL, right?
ये एक्सेल है, ये बड़ा साइज है सर हमारे यहाँ.
No, give me double XL.
एक साइज बड़ा ही आता है, इसी डबल से नहीं बस. भाई साइज आपको आराम से देगा.
But I'm not sure if she can fit in this. You don't have double XL? Oh.
मैं पता करा सर. डबल से मिलेगा इसमें.
Yes, sir. Please. There's no double XL in this. This is what I want my mom to wear. But yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
ये भी नहीं सकते ऐसे ये वाला भी.
Which one? No. I like this one more. All clothes here. Let's go. This is a real good dress. No? White shade and very pretty and simple. It's a good dress. At least she can wear inside. I don't know, but yeah. Anyhow. So, is it available?
2 minutes wait.
2 minutes. Let's go. 2 minutes wait. Should we sit with her? Should we sit with her? when we are waiting, should we sit beside her? Don't know. Yeah. Is there something else? I have seen my mom wearing velvet also. I've seen my mom wearing velvet also.
ये लॉन्ग लेगा, ये लॉन्ग चल रहा है ना, ये कुर्ती वाला लगता है, तो इसका अलग है ना, इसे लॉन्ग करना है। इसे पहन के कम चल रहा है, लाइट पे देखना है।
These are cheap. These are not costly also. But I like this one. I think she'll look adorable. This one. These are just cheap. They're not even costly, but this is a good one.
आप पिक दिखा सकते हैं मतलब कि अपनी?
I could, but abhi I'm streaming. That's why. But shoulders are also small. That's the thing.
क्योंकि हमारा एक साथ अप ही आता है ना,
I understand. Okay, I'll come back in some time. Okay?
बड़ी चीज़ कॉल कर देंगे।
Yeah. Please. 99-678-545-49. Thank you. Okay, let's go to some other place, I guess. Yes, sir. W जाते हैं W. In W I can find a good dress. So let's go to W. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna buy in this. But yeah, W also had some good dresses. I mean, W also had some good dresses. But since we have already told her that I can wait for at least 2 minutes, so we're gonna pass 2 minutes somewhere. And I hope so they get me that dress. I mean, no? Can I sit somewhere? We bought a dress. Let's go chat. This is the dress. Again. Let's go. We finally bought it for our mom. For my mom. Let's go. Mom's gonna be happy. Mom will be happy with me. Kind of son every mother should get. That's what. 99678 545 49. Suryansh. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Isn't good? Isn't good? She looked like a little princess in this. It's a little cute princess. My mom. Waiting. and there it's getting packed. And yes sir, now we have it. Thank you so much. This is the bill? Mobile? Okay. And let's go. We finally bought something. We did. We finally bought something. We did finally bought something. Yes sir. Look at this. W in the chat. W in the chat for W. We finally bought something, chat. That's the best thing ever. W's in the chat for W. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. And now I'm gonna see you, chat, when we give this to my mom. Let's go. Let's go.